At History Class, we believe in celebrating the people who are pouring love into our community. And for the past 10 years, with the help of local volunteers and funding from local donations, A Hand Up has been helping everyone they can in Bay County.
A Hand Up Global Outreach Ministry is a faith-based, nonprofit organization. What we do on a daily basis is strengthen and bless those that are in need. We have mobile food pantries where we will purchase thousands of pounds of food and take it to the communities where the people most vulnerable need it, and we would push that food out to the families in need in that community in about 2 hours. And to date, we've done about 107 of those mobile food pantries, providing over 500,000 pounds of food to Bay County and surrounding counties. We are in a place now, my family and I, that we provide food to people in need, but we were once on the other side of that. Being a single mom with 3 little boys after my divorce, we were in a place where we needed food and we didn't always have the help. So I just determined, and it was in my heart, that I would be for others what people had been for me. It's not always easy to ask for help, but in our ministry, it is not a hand out, it is a hand up. So whatever your need is, just give us a call, go to our website, and get in touch with us, and we'll be sure to do whatever we can to help you and your family.